YouTube, this is Gundude 73 making an EDC video. Just a video of, what I carry, my everyday carry. That's what EDC stands for. So let's get started here. The first would have to be my blade here, my main blade, which is Benchmade 913 Nitrous Stryker. It's a great knife. Next would have to be my secondary blade. A little closer. Some Benchmade model 530. Another good knife. On the order blades here too, I have two Swiss Army knives, a camping model here, and a smaller one to supplement the camping model. Also with knives, let's see if I can find it here. Here we go. I sometimes carry this little switchblade. It's the fun of it. And that pretty much does it for knives on my person. I also have a Fenix flashlight here. It's a good flashlight. It does the job, I suppose. The L2T. It's a great flashlight. It's pretty bright. I also have this Fossil watch chronograph. Has my keys with a Maglite solitaire and carabiner with my keys on it. iPod Touch sometimes. Motorola Razr phone. My Fossil wallet. Headphones that go with the, iPod. Have a Fossil belt here. And last but not least, I have my Oakley sunglasses in the case. So that would have to do it for my EDC. That's pretty much it. Right there. Have my knives right here. Which have to be one of my favorite knives. Benchmade model 913. Mainly because it's so fast deployment, spring assisted. Which I like, so yeah. That would have to do it for my EDC. Thanks for watching. It's a good day. This is Gundude 73.